layers, layers, layers. Your layers, 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 layers. Baby, one by one.
Hey Zatanra, welcome to another video of me playing with my hair. Today we're going to try to achieve this look inspired by my friend Camille, and let me just tell you that I fucked it up because look how good I look, guys. Look at how good I look. Woo! Ayo! Hey, my tongue. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I wanted to say thank you guys so much for the love and the support. I have been feeling it and it is showing, guys. Yo, we are growing, hey? Very, very fast. But let's continue to grow. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Please share. I will, guys. Anyways, let's just get to the video. So we are going to start off with stretched parted hair. I decided to do my parting off camera because wow, it took me almost an hour to part this hair. Anyways, we are going to be using Chebe hair food to base my scalp because I'm going to be using edge control and it can be kind of harsh on the hair, while the one that I'm using, it could be harsh on the hair, so I'm just trying to protect it. I'm going to put it all over my parted area on the scalp and then spread it onto the roots of my hair. And of course, let's not forget to put it on your edges because that's actually the most important part, because guys, once your edges are gone, it is a zimmer. It is hard to bring them back.
Baby, I know it's tough.
So for real guys, let's get serious. So we are going to take the piece that we separated on the side and split it in half again. Then we're gonna take our edge control, which I just realized that I did not show you guys, but I am using the Isoplus hairline and edge holding gel. Anyways, we're going after separating the hair in half, we're gonna take our edge control and then we are going to lather the roots of the hair on the inside and on the outside, and then from there we're gonna use our toothbrush to control our edges, have no flyaways basically. And then we are going to separate the front into three and then start cornrowing back. I'm not sure how to teach anybody how to cornrow, but like it's basically you take 3 strands and then you cross the left and right. Honestly guys, it would just be better if I do a video on how to cornrow, because me telling you this right now probably will not make a difference and I am probably just going to confuse you even more. I'm not a pro. Personally, yeah, I'm not a pro at this. I'm still learning. This video is probably my 5th time cornrowing, and it wasn't an amazing job, but I tried, guys. I really did try. When you get to a point where you don't feel any more edge control when you're braiding, or you feel like your hair is dry, use a moisturizer to carry on braiding so that the braid can look neat when it's dry. I used my Shea Moisture curl enhancing smoothie as I showed you guys, and I finished off the braid.
Drowning in how I love you. I know you feel the same.
Guys, honestly, for a beginner, I feel like I did a pretty good job and I'm super proud of myself because I already thought this was going to flop, but it didn't.
I know it's not easy.
So we are now going to do the exact same thing that we did on the other side to this side. Control the edges, split in half, lubricate inside and outside, braid, and then add on with finish braiding with your curling cream or moisturizer, And yeah, voila.
Oh, it's tough, but hear me when I say that fear is part of love. So let me peel back your layers.
Also, before I forget, if your hair is short and you can't really cornrow your hair back, you can always add extensions because I mean, why not?
Layers, baby, one by one. So tell me all about your dirty secrets.
Okay, so now now we're at the master level, guys. Okay, so we are basically going to do almost the exact same thing that we did on the two side pieces on this big piece. It's just that like the only difference with this is that this is a bigger piece of the hair. So I'm going to detangle the hair so that when I braid it, the ends don't become this big ass thing that I can't control. So again, we're going to take the edge control and we are going to slather it, lubricate, I don't know, toba, the perimeter of the parted area. As you can see, guys, it would like the side part was more of like a rectangle than anything, and it stopped behind my ear.
Baby, one by one. Baby, one by one. We can have you and I are stuck in tonight.
On the big part, I decided to use my eco gel for the middle because if I used my edge control, I would have finished it and I wouldn't have had enough for the other side. So really, if you have shorter hair, I'd recommend you use the edge control for the middle too, but I didn't have enough edge control to do that. But anyways, maybe you guys can see here on how I braided my hair, since it's a bigger part. So I divided it into 3 and then I feed in a little bit from each half. So I braid once, feed in, braid once, feed in, braid once, feed in, and so on.
All I wanna do is be with you, let me in, open up. We can't be in us if you don't trust, baby. I know it's tough, but hear me when I say that fear is part of love. So let me peel back your layers, your layers, 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 your layers, 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 to the center of your love. Baby, unwrap your layers, your layers.
Also, when you feel like you are braiding dry hair, don't forget to moisturize the ends so that when your hair dries, it looks neat. It stays in place. Anyways, so we are now going to take the little dangly piece on the side piece, and then braid it in with the hair. So instead of getting a piece of hair, you're going to take the dangly piece and then braid it into the braid and braid all the way down. Make sure that the braid is tight so that it won't unravel, because yeah, we wouldn't want that in between the people, because that's very embarrassing.
Your layers, 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 to the center of your love. Baby, unwrap your layers. Your layers, 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 your layers, 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 baby, one by one. Baby, one by one. We can have you and I are stuck in tonight.
So
yeah, we are going to braid the big braid all the way down, making sure that it's neat and that we add moisturizer so that the ends can also be neat. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. I decided to cut that because it would have added another 20 minutes to this video, but yeah, we basically do the exact same thing on the other side. As you can see here, I'm just doing some touch-ups on the braid with some edge control, and then went in with my toothbrush. And of course, how can I forget? Don't forget to do your edges. I feel like the edges probably are the most important part of this video, guys. If your edges aren't done, what are you doing? What are you doing? So then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal satin hair mousse. This is just to keep the style intact so that when I cover it, I do not have any flyaways.
Layers, 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 layers. Your layers, 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 layers. Baby, one by one.
Yeah, that's it for part one, guys. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to wrap our hair and then well, I guess let the hair set for maybe an hour, and then we can add our ponytail after this.
Giving me hope for love when I saw none. Don't give me a reason to run.
So we're back, looking good, looking like a whole different person, looking like a goddamn snack. Anyways, we are, ooh, look at how beautiful that is, guys. Look at how beautiful that is. It looks shiny, it looks neat. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say.
Layers, layers, layers to the center of your love, baby.
So what we're going to do now, or what we're getting ready to do now, is we are going to secure the ends of our braids with these elastic bands. I'm going to lubricate them with my olive oil sheen spray and then secure my ends with them. This is hard work, y'all. This is real hard work because while a girl's doing this, she be thirsty. Arms be hurting and shit. Anyways, I'm using my Gold's Best Quality Fiber 16-inch to do my pigtails.
I know you feel the way. I need to hear you say
Naturally, we are going to take one and then we're going to use our detangling brush to comb it out. Then we are going to open it up and then I guess make sure that I can use it, like make sure like it's detangled enough for me to use it. We are then going to proceed with scissors and cut the bundle in half because I didn't want to use 2 bundles because it was going to make my pigtail bulky. I really didn't want it bulky. I wanted it to be thin but not too thin, so that's why I'm just using half and not like a quarter. So we are going to take half of the bundle that I cut and then wrap it around the base of one of the pigtails and then secure it with a bobby pin. I did this method on my first video. You guys should go check it out where I explained it in great detail. With these pigtails, since I'm using less hair and with
with a thinner base, I decided to not use bobby pins in the middle of the wraparound, but instead I just wrapped it around tightly. They both do the job that it's supposed to do with the bobby pins and without the bobby pins, but to have it more secure, I'd recommend you use the bobby pins. But even if you wrap it tightly, the ponytail won't come off. Anyways, when we get to the top, I took a piece of hair from the top of the bundle and I wrapped it around where the I wrapped it around where the weave was showing, where the track was showing, so that it can look more natural. We are then going to proceed onto the other side. We're basically going to do the exact same thing that we did on the first side. We are going to wrap around the base, secure it with a bobby pin, and then tightly wrap it going up. Tightly. I cannot emphasize this any more than I am right now, but make sure that you tightly wrap it around going up. Then we are going to take a piece of hair from the top and we are going to wrap it around the track that is showing, and then if you can, secure it with a bobby pin. If not, you can use got-to-be glue or whatever.
So let me see the real you. Hard to trust that I'll be true. All I wanna do is be with you. Let me in, open up. We can't be in us if you don't trust, baby. I know it's tough, but hear me when I say that fear is part of love. So let me peel back your layers, your layers, 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 your layers, 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 to the center of your.
I personally believe that anybody can achieve this look, whether you have natural hair, relaxed hair, or transitioning hair. It is perfect for any occasion, and I'd say that this hair style probably lasted me around about 2 weeks. Yeah, if you take care of it properly and you wrap your hair when you sleep or when you lay, it will most definitely last you around about 2 weeks. So for the finishing touches of this hairstyle, you are going to spray your olive oil Sheen Shine, just to give it that extra pizzazz at the end, you know, give it that hydrated look. Yeah, guys, that's me. That's this hairstyle. I named it the cute low pigtails because, you know, they cute, they low, and well, yeah.
To the center of your love.
Last but not least, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any hairstyle recommendations, please may you comment them down below, or you can DM me. If there's something that you didn't like in the video, please comment down below, or you can address me via private message or anything. But also, don't forget to share this video and help me grow. Thank you guys for coming back. Mwah.